You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for Eisha Taylore. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Eisha Taylore. So, battle time. Let's get right into it. The Doux has a new person in town. Okay, a new mousse. It's called Chief Rocka, and it's Extreme Moisture Mousse, high performance defining styler. Detangles, conditions, defines, and shines in one step. Okay, this is an 8 fluid ounce, and I got it for $16.99 at Target. Now y'all know we're gonna battle up against the other mousse that I find amazing, which is the B-Girl Crazysexycurl Supercharged Honey All-in-One Styling Foam, and it claims to do the same things as this one. So I only have a little bit of this left because I actually really love this mousse. So I picked up another one as well so I don't run out, okay? I am going to do a wash and go. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll leave that video for y'all. But it's basically just a twist out, twisting at the roots, and then the rest is kind of like a wash and go. I have an in-depth review of this mousse as well as a battle up against the OG Mousse Def, so I'll leave that for y'all to check out. But the highlights of this B-Girl gel is that it boosts shine, seals in moisture, and fights frizz. So what I really want to see is this going to be good in the winter? I haven't used her in the winter, so we will see. And the B-Girl gel is actually smaller than the Chief Rocka. It's actually a 7 fluid ounce and is $13.69. The Chief Rocka is bigger at 8 fluid ounces at $16.99. Crazysexycurl is in. Now time for this new mousse. So first of all, I like the nozzle a little bit better. It's bigger, more controlled. It comes out a little differently. This smells like sweet bananas. I don't know. Yeah, like a perfume banana. I can't really put my finger on what makes this different, but it is different. The foam itself feels a lot thicker. I'm still able to really glide this mousse through my hair. It's not sticky. Okay, y'all, as I'm doing my due diligence of giving y'all some good comparisons, I'm looking at Target where I bought the foam, the Chief Rocka, and the one that I thought I was getting was the Extreme Hold Setting Foam. Right? Extreme Hold. And it's a white bottle. I did a pickup order of the Chief Rocka that you see in this video, and it's a black bottle, and instead it says Extreme Moisture Mousse, right? So I'm looking online to try to see the difference. They have the same ingredients. I just wonder if they did the incorrect marketing or the incorrect title on Target's website. So I thought I was getting the Extreme Hold, but instead this mousse, the Chief Rocka in this video, is actually Extreme Moisture. So that's going to be different. But either way, on the website and on the bottle, the highlights of this mousse has banana, has goji berry, strong hold, and no flaking. So, and it's perfect for tight curls, wash and goes, twist outs, and braids. Oh, one thing I do notice though, this has no cap, so can't cover it like this one. just have to say that. Just have to say it. So I went underneath the dryer, and of course a mousse is going to dry super quickly, so I had no problems there. But as I was taking the the twist part of the wash and go out, I immediately knew that there was a difference between these two. Upon applying the mousse, the B-Girl applied more smooth. They both were smooth, but in my opinion, the B-Girl was more smooth. And I can tell with how my hair felt after. And I also felt like the Chief Rocka had a film on my hands. Now that I'm realizing that it says Extreme Moisture Mousse, I guess I understand that there was supposed to be a difference there. But the Chief Rocka felt hydrating. It wasn't more hydrating than the B-Girl. Also, the Chief Rocka definitely had flakes, and it says no flaking on the bottle and on the website. So, I mean, I think the claims of no flaking is definitely not a one-size-fits-all, because it all depends on your hair chemistry, what you wash your hair with, is your hair super clean, how much you applied, all of that. But right here, you can really tell the difference. The B-Girl just looks more defined, and Chief Rocka has more frizz. I'm also going to put a screenshot of both ingredients just to show you guys the highlighted parts are the same ingredients in both of the mousse. So is it really that different? Kind of not really. I think the difference is just in whatever ingredients causes the hold from the B-Girl, but I just want to show you guys that. I also wanted to show that Chief Rocka did give me more volume. So if you are a volume girly, then Chief Rocka might be for you. So let's see if the claims on the bottle is true for both these products. So Chief Rocka, did it detangle? Sure, yes. Condition, it feels moisturizing, so I'll give it that. Is it shiny? Kinda, sorta. Is it defined? Not really, so I'm gonna say no for that. Now for Big Girl, did it detangle? Yes, it did. For condition, it definitely feels moisturized. For definition, yes. For hold, yes. And for shine, yes. Now this is when I realized that the Doux didn't mention hold on their bottle, but the Crazysexycurl Big Girl did say hold. So that's when I was like, wait, what's happening? Although I made the realization that Chief Rocka does not have that much hold, it's more of a moisture mousse, I am still standing with the winner, which is the Crazysexycurl Mousse. It gives me everything that I need. It defines my hair, gives me great hold, shine. It just does it for me, to be completely honest with y'all. So I'm going to stick with that. If you guys want to try the new Chief Rocka, go for it. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to try this new mousse or which mousse from the Doux is your favorite. Let me know. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.